Hey, if you want to cast your YouTube application to your TV on a Redmi 14C, then you'll have to start by clicking on this icon. And by the way, you will have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your Redmi and on your TV, and also it will be good if you turn on the Bluetooth. Then tap on this icon, and you've got actually two options. The first one, if your TV pops right here, you can just simply tap on it, on the name of your TV, and with your remote controller you will have to accept to connect. But also can link with a TV code if your TV doesn't pops right here. So once you actually tap here, you'll get this information how we can actually search for this code. Basically, you will have to open the YouTube application on your TV, go to the settings on this YouTube application, and you will have to scroll down until you find this option, link with TV code. And now when you open it on your TV, there will be code that you will have to input right here manually by using this keyboard. And after you input this code, you will have to click link. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.